Alright, my friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. I'm checking out this Hurran lead-free 4-inch basin faucet with pop-up drain. Comes with little instructions there. Should be fairly straightforward. Comes with this nice little bag here. Good protection on that. And that looks pretty cool. Nice black matte finish there. Hot and cold, little red and blue indicators. This looks pretty nice. Comes with our water hoses. And a little pop-up drain here. That is nice matte black finish there too. Okay, let's go install this and show you guys how it works. All right, so what I like to do is splash some water up here, make sure it's not dripping down into this seal here, but that works, seems to be working really well. And there we have it, my friends. No leaking at all, no drips underneath. Now we can just kind of clean up our sink. And I think it looks really nice here. We have our cold water here. I like how it's nice and high up, so and this can turn around, obviously, so it's really elegant. And our hot water. Plenty of room for your hands to get under here. Just a nice little stream of water there, and turns off nice and smooth. No dripping. And we can see that our sink portion here, we want to set that and plug up our sink. We just press that and it fills up nicely. And if we want to drain it, same thing. So working really well. No drips, no leaks. Underneath looks good, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and it's just a nice, elegant piece here. Works really good. We're going with the matte black on pretty much all our finishes here in the bathroom. So nice and functional and working great. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.